So today's a perfect example of utilizing the little LED cart because I'm just by myself today. We're just doing some pickup shots and we're in some tight spaces, and I think the cables are a mess right now because I had to just pull them off. And I'm utilizing our two 1x, some of the really light stands, some small stingers, a couple of the 304s, and I'm able to just kind of run up and down the stairs. We're upstairs in the shooting little bedroom, running the red, but also running the Blackmagic to kind of do some test A/B, playing with the exposure, trying to see how well they match and stuff. So there you go. That's what we're doing today. Some little product stuff, some pickup shots, just small setups, but doing a little green screen work, also lighting just some smaller areas with the smaller LEDs. I'll show you what we have going on. Sorry, I'm extremely tired, so energy level is a little low. So running in tandem, trying to get the same shot so I can see what they look like. But ACAM is going to be the red today. Pulled off our 1x LEDs. They're just kind of shooting into the ceiling and bouncing light everywhere, which is nice. And then we're catching just a little bit of edge off of the side to illuminate the talent. Rim, and it's just kind of filling up the room. Girls are standing there. We're doing some more art stuff. All right, finishing up, loading out, and funny thing is, I got the Kinos out in preparation, but didn't ever end up using them. So it was all small LEDs today. Loading up the truck, and home again, home again.